Welcome once again. This time naman, punta naman tayo sa ating pang-anim na problem about ages. Okay. So, in our problem, okay, Christian is far more than thrice the age of Justin. Again, identify who is younger. Dito, ang mas bata ay si Justin. Therefore, we will uh, replace the age of Justin as X. Yun naman ang sabi ko sa inyo eh. Yung mas bata, lagyan natin ng age. At ang age niya dapat ay X. Okay, to start. Okay, so let X be the age of Justin. Okay. Pag meron na tayo ng age ng isa, ng mas bata, we can now generate the age of the other one, yung mas matanda. Okay, by referring once again to our statement, Christian is more than thrice the age of Justin. Okay, pag ibig sabihin, kapag minultiply mo ito ng 3, kapag minultiply mo ito ng 3, lamang pa ng dagdagan mo pa ng 4, dagdagan mo ng 4, at yun ang magiging age ni Christian. Do you get it? Ibig sabihin, pag na-multiply mo ng 3, yung age ni Justin, at dinagdagan mo pa ng 4 years, yun ang age ni Christian. So, to translate that sentence into mathematical sentence or expression, ang mangyayari dyan, ito ay 3x, imo-multiply ng 3, so that is 3x plus 4. Okay, yun ang age natin ni Christian. Be the age of Christian. Okay. Ayan. So, meron na tayo. Meron na tayo. And then, pupunta tayo sa merong ago. Yun ang maganda, doon tayo sanay. Okay, kung ngayon, ito yung age ni 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 Justin, X ang age ngayon ni Justin, at si Christian naman ay 3x plus 4. Okay, 3x plus 4. So, ito yung age nila now. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng age 7 years from now. So, future. Okay, so 7 years from now, okay, kung ngayon si Justin ay X, siyempre, yan ay magiging X plus 7. Okay, age of Justin, 7 years from now. Okay, at kung ngayon naman, ang age ni Christian ay 3x plus 4, so that will be 3x plus 4. Ah, ah, itong age niya ngayon, ni Christian. So, 7 years from now, he will be 3x plus 4 plus 7. Or, 3x plus 11. Okay, this will be now the age of Christian. 7 years. Okay, 7 years from now. Ayun, gagawa na tayo ng equation. Paano yon? Sabi natin, hindi tayo gagawa doon sa age now. Doon tayo kung merong ago, doon tayo kung merong from now or past or future, doon tayo gagawa. So, ito yung future. So, dito tayo gagawa. Para wag nang mag-isip ng masyado, I mean, to make the process easier, just compare their ages. Bago na lang natin isupply yung mga kailangan pang detail. Okay, by referring back to the problem. So let us compare their ages. Ang pagkukumparahin natin ay yung age ni Justin at saka yung age ni Christian, which is 3x plus 11. Again, at this moment, hindi pa ito tama, itong equal sign na ito. Pero ang ating plano dito is to make the statement true, yung maging tama ang equal. Ibig sabihin, the left side and the right side should be equal. Ngayon, babalikan natin, anong sabi nila din? 7 years from now, Justin will be 3/7 as old as Christian. Okay, ganito yon. Pagka sinabi na the age of Christian will be 3 times as old as Justin, 3 times as old as Justin, whole number yun, ano? 3. 3. Dito natin yun i-multiply. Pero eto ang technique. Kapag ito'y fraction, ang inyo diyang i-multiply ay yung mas matanda. Kung ito'y whole number, kung ito'y 3, ang imo-multiply nyo ay yung mas bata. Pero dahil ito'y fraction, ang imo-multiply nyo dyan ay yung mas matanda. So, ito imo-multiply natin yan. So, that is 3/7. Ayan na. True na ito. Ibig sabihin, yung 3/7 ng age ni Christian will be equal to the age of Justin 7 years ago. Okay, pagka ganito may denominator, the first thing that you should do is to eliminate to cancel the denominator by multiplying the whole equation by 7. Kasi makakancel yon. Okay, so cancel yon. Yun ang ating purpose. And then, let us multiply them. So that is 7x plus 49 equals, ayun pa, may natira doon 3. Imo-multiply natin doon. So that will be 9x plus 33. And then, as usual, ang lahat ng constant dadali natin doon sa kabila. Okay, so that will be ayun. We will eliminate the constant, so that will be 7x na lang. And then 9x. And then 49 minus 33 is ilan? Okay, that is uh, uh, negative 14. Okay, 14. So, ganyan. Ah, wait. Okay, that is negative 16. Okay. And then, tanggalin natin to dito. That will be negative 9x equals negative 2x, okay, equals negative 16. Okay? And so, negative 2x equals negative 16. Okay? Divide by negative 2. Negative 2. So, x equals positive 8. Kanino yung x? Kaninong age yung x? Kay Justin. Kay Justin yun. So, that's it. So, kung si Justin ay 8, okay. Okay. Ilan siyang, let us check. Let us check. Okay. By the way, kuhanin pala muna natin yung age ni Christian. Si Christian kasi, ang age niya ay 3x plus 4. Si Justin ay x. Eto na. Age of Justin. And then, 3x plus 3. Okay, ayun. At 3x plus 4. That will be 3 times 8 plus 4 equals 24 plus 4 equals 28. Ibig sabihin ngayon ang edad ni Justin ay 8 at ang age naman ni Christian ay 28. So ito yung age of Christian. So let us check. Paano ba natin i-check kung ngayon, tingnan natin, si Justin ngayon ay 8 years old. Si Christian ngayon ay 28 years old. Ang sabi doon, 7 years from now. So magiging ilang taon si Justin 7 years from now. So kung siya ngayon ay 8 plus 7, siya ay magiging ah, 15 years old. Diba? Magiging 15 years old si Justin. At si Christian naman, kung siya ay 28 ngayon, plus 7, siya ay magiging 35. 35 years old. Ang sabi doon, i-check natin, ano mangyayari sa kanilang edad 7 years from now? Ano mangyayari? Ayun daw, 7 years from now, Justin will be 37 as old as Christian. Tingnan nga natin yung 35. I-multiply daw natin yan ng 3/7 kung magiging 15. So that is 35 times uh, 3/7 equals, okay, so that is 1, that is 5, okay, so that is 15. So tama. So ganun lang how to deal with this kind of problem. Okay, thank you again. At meron pa tayo. Watch for its release. Thank you very much.